All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's up, everybody? Back for another one. Hit that like button for me on your way in. Burp. Earnings. Relative volume's crazy. Daily volume. All right. I really want to snag IRE. I wish I would have been sitting here watching it. I might have just bought it right there. It should have come back down. Shoot. Golly, SMCI is going crazy too. They really set up right before the open, both of them. Wave Rider, what up, Three Pony? Uh, Spy, meanwhile, is El Slapido. Look at that consolidation at the highs. Feeling sketchy about SMCI because it really had a nice size day yesterday. I would expect a narrow range day today, but it's kind of got a nice little setup here up to 45. What up, Bobby? Trey in the house. And yeah. Golly. Man, it's just right off the open, man. Like, you don't want to do no chill uptrend throughout the day. Just got to do it all at the open. Dang. Both of y'all. Yeah, man. Both the ones from yesterday, SMCI and IRE. SMCI played me tough yesterday,
FIGR.
bro. Mug ended up. I saw it put in the low on the stream, made one more pullback, and then broke highs and ran up to the next level. Just wasn't meant for me, man. Just wasn't meant for me. Be like that sometimes. FIGR. Hmm. earnings. Man, that's what's up. See, Knives did his thing. FIGR, yeah. Huge spread. Wow, Spy really turned it around.
XE. INFQ. INFQ.
My bad. My bad. I said the ghost of Rob living through you, Bobby. Talking about 1 minute do nothing for you.
FIGR. FIGR.
This is earnings. Pretty nice on the 5 right there. It's too bad. Yeah. Dang, bro. It just like moving so much off the open. It's just gonna feel like backside once by the time it prints a red candle. Yeah, I see it, man. I see it.
FIGR.
Yeah, I definitely feel a bit of that. I definitely feel a bit of that. It's look like a continuation right here. Way up there though. So strong right now. Fire is relentless right now. Is that all-time highs right there?
INFQ. INFQ. FIGR.
Man. Man.
FIGR.
Man, today's Thursday. It's been a week. Morning knives. Sure is. Thanks, Pond. Nice. Oh yeah, that's what's up, Pond. You trading? Feeling pretty lame in the moment. I guess just seeing stuff go from level to level and not having participated in any of it, which usually leads to that feeling of, oh man, I gotta catch the pullback, and then just turns my eyes into beer goggles, and I can't even evaluate the pullback because I'm all discombobulated from missing huge runs. Like this is a setup for me, but it's just not at a level. But I mean, momentum for sure is there. Markets behind it. Guess I can't be mad at myself for not taking a super extended trade. But daggone, man. Guess it ain't even 10 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. I just wish it would have turned around by now. Like it just feeling like it's making. Nah, I'm not waiting on 10. I was just using that for perspective that, there's still time for things to happen for me today. But yeah, everything I'm watching is just blasting through levels. SMCI is 20 million, Iron is 20. Okay, so they about to say. As a wise man once said, bet more. Yeah, I wish I was watching for this test to 45.55 on IREN, but Yeah, none of these have just really done my easy money setup, so I guess I've done the right thing. Just sucks watching them go. Already feels like, well, guess we'll come back tomorrow. Because it's like, if it comes all the way back down to support, do you even want it anymore? Do you even want it? Spy just blasted through previous all-time high blast. Find a different stock then, he says. Well, that was why I put INFQ up. It is also blasting off. It's kind of late to this one. Doesn't look nearly as exciting as this volume over here. It's just all gas, no brakes, man. Come on, man. You got to pull back at some point. INFQ. Ten-second chart. That's the move. Burke. Did Burke ever get any volume? $0.20 spread. Looks pretty dead.
INFQ.
Looks pretty dead. Bro, this is ridiculous, man. XHG. Nah. Oh, man. Billy Deluxe Chinese special. Do, do. 48, 49. Right to the level, eh? Maybe a little higher low after this. We could hit 10. That's pretty good.
XE.
SMCI is a hater, straight up, bro. Big facts. Oh, yeah. It's just one of them environments where you just buy the pullbacks, man, and just go. Go. Yeah. Yeah, I was pretty upset to see it. I mean, I wasn't upset, but it was pretty wild to see it go break new highs after I got off the stream yesterday. Bruh, everything is just running, man. It's just running. It's just running. As soon as I decide to interact, though, that's when the pullback comes. I already know. I already know. What up, Jack? Mhm. All in? All in what? Whatever I said is going up with no pullbacks. Everything. IRE. Can't lose. Nah. That's when it's gonna pull back as soon as I decide to play. I missed all the gut entries already. Now it's just pure FOMO. So definitely can't do anything now. I just don't want to trade this thin stuff right here when I got this. Uh the no trade recap. Yeah, it could be, man. It could be Michael Jordan special. Man, the mid range is dead now, ain't it? It can be done. Wow, this looks like a nice entry right here, bud. Nice one right there, bud.
INFQ.
That was nice. Right after this little test, the previous higher day. Stop layups or threes. He shoots. Bro, SMCI just like ridiculous, bro. It's being ridiculous.
XE.
Just being ridiculous. This is pretty good setup on the one. Pretty good on 5-2. We got the volume take back right here. Probably just wait for this 5-minute candle to close though. But lower high, lower low, lower high, but then the higher low after some nice volume came in. SMCI over 40. Good Lord. Good. Oh. Okay. Could find a trade at this high right here. 48, 48-ish. Would be a nice little continuation. Retest the previous highs. But honestly, 1, 2, that's really 3 highs right there. Trickle down the small caps. I never really thought of you as a small cap trader, HH. You've been surprising me lately. Wolf. Yeah. All right. Sellers are in control on the 1. I would say on the 5 as well. All right. Yeah, you're absolutely right. I don't even like the feel of INFQ. It's gone and delete it. Thinking 48 might be the level. Kind of smack dab in the middle of these 2 levels.
XE.
Nice little climactic ending volume here. 15-minute closes red in 5 minutes. Coming up with levels intraday. Rap name 10 Milli. Well, we got the whole dollar and we got this previous high right here. So it's not like in the middle of outer space. But I think that's the third high. I think we need VWAP at this point. Really would like to see down here. That would be such a nice entry, but it's like, bro, if it comes back that far,
FIGR.
it's over, son. It's over. It's gotta stay above 48. Historically, it does not seem to have cared about 48 at all, though. Historically. Yeah. This 5 is looking a bit inviting, but would have to see some violent volume come in here. Take out this high and pull back on lighter volume. Don't go making up levels. How else am I going to get in this trade? Damn it. Hell nah. Hell no, Niles. I was just talking about how this entry right here, 48, was lining up real nicely. A little higher low on the 1, got the higher low on the 5. Little hammer time there. 15-minute close break. Double off the 5 on 15. But like the buyers coming back. Daggone it, man. Iron gets volume over SMCI. Wow, SMCI is gone, bro. Yeah, it wasn't on my scanner, but I was watching it yesterday. I wanted to take 48 there just to put it on the record. But this is a nice beginning of a down leg, so I would expect it to continue down more likely than to go back up to high of day from here. Yeah, I think VWAP's the only reasonable. Why is it so difficult to enter the trade? I mean, on the 5, I don't. You talking about like right here? I don't really see the entry on the 5 on this one. maybe here, but it's so extended. Could have got 48 and just nabbed a quick little R. SMCI? You must be trolling. I see it on IREN. Like I would have just loved to slap in as it broke back through over 45.55. Golly, man, it's ridiculous. It's like a life-changing trade right here. Honestly. I wanted to get in here so bad. Uh, life-changing with $10 risk. Nah, I'm saying like, with real risk. I mean, if I would have made like 15R, that would have changed the next couple days. Needs more leverage. It could happen.
XE.
FGI 41 mil. Halt fest. Nice gap though. Market making new highs. I'm being all timid. Uh, Correct. uh,
FRVO.
well, you know, I would say more often than not, stocks don't go up this aggressively. And in those cases, waiting for the dip is generally the best thing to do. Um, according to who? According to the chart. You know, something's 3, 4, 5 bars up. It's you're holding your breath for the pullback. Uh, yeah, I could see this at VWAP here pretty shortly. Need to just come on down to 47, man. Have a climactic end, and then we can get it again. Scout, yeah. Uh, I mean, I've had little ideas watching these things move up, but there's too many reasons not to take the trade, you know. Um, to where if it didn't work, I would be like, bro, you knew that's not how we get down. You like this wick right here, this little test back to the EMA, but buying it after this, climactic sell off into the level, it's just like, nah, that's stupid. Like if you bought that, you would be feeling silly if it dropped back down after this rejection, right? Um, and then same here after this, top wick, higher volume than this candle, you know, it's just so freaking strong that it just doesn't care about any of that stuff. Um, this right here was very tempting though, but I was just like, I have no level to base my thesis off of, so stayed out of that one. And then this one was like, we're already at the top of the trend at this point. So yeah. How it's at the
TBBB.
top of my list. Well, I really like the daily IRE. A little doji candle like that when it's expected to do like a big move and just a whole bunch of volume churning in this little range and then it gaps up again. This is a great daily setup in my opinion. SMCI was actually, I was anxious about it because it actually had a pretty good day yesterday and then gapped up. And I would normally expect a day like this or a day like this, or a day like this after a wide range move up. But again, it just gapped up and looks like it really is about to go up and fill this gap. Oh man. Okay, IREN is trading like I would expect it to trade.
XE.
You need calculus to understand. What's at the top of your list? FGI? Look at that. I don't want to be involved in that. People gonna be losing faces over there. Faces gone. Yeah, no, this thing need to pull back.
NNE.
Yeah, averaging down is the devil, Bond. Deep down, you know this. You know this. Golly. Golly. Bro, averaging down is like going long below VWAP. Like
GDS.
they have sayings for averaging down. That's how much you're not supposed to do it. Don't you dare. Come on back down, son. Down. Down. Maybe 48 is the jump. Maybe 48 is the jump. Trading on vibes. Vibes is fun when it works. Break it on down. Oh. I think we'll get it. We just gotta be patient, man. Just gotta be patient. I really hope this just cracks on down so I don't feel tempted to take a trade off of 48. But 48's it's showing like nah, but the seller's in control though for sure. 89, crack 80s. Good to go for the pull in. There we go. Break it on down. Bro, just watching. I see it over here. I got the 5 and the 15 to the left of me on each ticker I'm watching. I wonder why SMCI is not on my scan though. It's doing crazy volume. It's up enough percentage. I don't understand why it's not on my scan. Oh, maybe the market cap. No, market cap's still within the range. ATR's in range. Gap from close. Oh, the gap from close is still. That's weird. Shows gap from close of 1.78%. That's not true. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. Strange. Strange indeed. There we go. Let's see what this 15-minute close looks like. Borrow a little trick out of HH's book for a little
XE.
perspective on this one. Burke made a new high. Yeah, it did. It just looks terrible though. It looks terrible. Yo, what up, Ben? A little bit of drama. Something light. So, I would say VWAP is inevitable here. 47.35, 47.50 is around here. Perspective don't matter on molasses. $47.33. Okay, we got a little level over here. Hold on. $47.33. Okay, hold on. Man. I don't know. I was looking to take one today, but uh I already in. I wasn't like zoned in right at the open. And it was just a 1 second quick tap through the level. And by the time I looked at it, it had already wicked through and left. So I missed it. But uh almost been thinking right before the open might be the play. Oh, look at this low, 47.37. That 15-minute low right there. And then we got a low on the 15 made. That's good. Little climactic action right here. Buyers came in a bit. 5-minute red close. Yeah, still keep going. Thanks, Trey. System works pretty well. This this actually would have been a cool little spot right here, just on the volume read. But oh yeah, you're welcome. That's what's up. I think you shorted too early, bro. Should have waited to 30s. I mean, you covered too early. Oh yeah, it's definitely over for the short term. I'm looking for a 15-minute close, so we talking post 10:45. Would need to see some strong buying come in. Like, really need to at least see like a big old red candle come in with a wick at the bottom, and then see some big buyers come in after that. Sellers are all the way in control. Oh, SMCI passed.
XE.
Golly, bro, it's so far. It's so far up there, bro. Man. Okay, now we can see inside this little thing. And really much to draw on. 40.95. I ain't gonna waste nothing, Bobby. I'm pretty. I'm not gonna throw nothing out the window. It's gonna have to show me something serious for me to get involved. This might be enough. This might be enough. Nice extension away from the end lane. Big ending volume into there. Let's see if the buyers show out or not. I ain't gonna be first, that's for sure. I'm still waiting for 10:45 too. 40.80 target on IREN. That's hilarious. I was about to say. Good luck. Yeah, that's pretty good right there on SMCI. That's pretty cool. This is actually a really clean pullback on the 5 too. They loud today, boy. They got the megaphone out today, boy. Hey, straight up, HH. I don't need it. I don't need to be first. All right, Irene. We got 2 minutes. I think something about to be popping over here. Yeah, look at that level, boy. Found that level out the mud. All right. Ah, excuse me. All right, give me this. Give me that low volume, higher low over here, man. And we gonna be in there like swimwear. That's exactly what I needed to see. Nice little climactic end into this level, big volume coming in. Let's see that. This is from the hourly in the
MWH.
middle of this day right here. Let's see, from way back into time. Say no more, my man. My man. Ah, damn, I should have just bought it. Damn it. No. Y'all some haters, bro.
XE.
Straight haters, bro. Yeah, 1 hour's legit for sure. All right, we're making a new low or we gonna hold it down? POP. 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 What do I do? I don't know, dog. What's this low? 26, 27. Up. Broke it on down. Man, this needs a big pullback back on the SMCI. It just ran off like ridiculously. Nice level though. Sheesh. Sheesh. I really did want Iron to come down to 46 though. I really did. I still might have to take this joint. 15 and 5 minute. I feel like you just wait for it to close though. Backside Bob, yeah. There's no one else to talk to, bro. The front side just like played me. All right. Damn, bro. 15-minute action right here. Oh, man. I feel like I suckered out on that one, man. Powerfully tested my level. So sad. You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live to fight another day. That wick kind of long though. Spies pulling back. Even better climactic ending volume. Yeah, just come on down to this level, dog. Come on down. DRC time? Nah, bro. It's too much motion out here. Ah, I'm so sad, bro. It's just too strong, man. It's just too freaking strong. This mug is dead. I don't know, man. I mean, I'm not jumping in unless I see what I need to see. I don't think so. I mean, I'm a little frustrated, but not to the point that I'm just gonna do something random. You know, I'm still waiting to see what I want to see. Like the what if setups have been working, and that's a bit frustrating. But I'm still not willing to take one. You know, I'm a politician. I didn't answer the question. Am I emotionally compromised? Yeah, I'll be cool with that. Look at that slappage. That's a big dip. Yeah, IREN might be finito. Finito. Came all the way back around. Well, damn. Well, Spy is pulling back nice, though. Spy is pulling back pretty nice. You know what OKLO look like? Yeah. What's OKLO doing these days? 19. Yeah, it's looking bad for IRE. It's looking bad. Y'all still messing with FGI? Oh wow, look at that. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Maybe I should have listened to HH. Really triple deluxe with extra cheese. Yup. We down bad today. I want this now. I'm just checking it out, man. Just watching to see what happens. Bye.
Axie.
You really need to explode back over pre-market high. Otherwise, it's a pretty strong close below that level. Which is looking like we got 30 seconds. Frank, where are you? Pizza dude's got 30 seconds. Damn, that looks kind of fire. Damn, that looks real good, actually. Nah, nah, not really. Not really. Let's keep the beer goggles off. Let's keep the beer goggles off. Maybe it just wants original support that I missed this morning. It wants to give me another chance. Oh, yeah. It's dead. uh, but wait, it can't be true. Shoot, FGI looking more and more interesting over here. Hey, it's got to bottom out somewhere, bro. Ah.
Axie.
My bad. Sorry, I keep blowing my nose. Feeling a little stuffy. Things are good for you. Is that right? Oh, that 5 is looking gorgeous now. It's low volume on these green candles, though. Need to see some red on one. Olympic dumpster diving. Can I let you know when I buy and sell? There's a alert that'll say order filled when I buy and sell. So see, man. Yeah, I just feel I hate days like today. I hate them. It's like these are the days that flow can be unleashed and you can do some things. These are the days.
XE.
Crash out imminent. I mean, I wouldn't recommend if you're wanting to know to follow my trades, I would highly not recommend that. But uh again, it's gonna say order filled when I take a trade. And then there's like a what 10-second delay, you know. It's just not advisable. Plus, I am not a profitable trader at this point.
SMCI.
So my hit rate's been about 20%. It's pretty bad. This is a really volatile moment. Yeah. What an excellent fade. There you go, Bond. Only thing is, when I get it right, I get it really right, and then you're gonna blow up. Whoa.
SMCI.
By Uno reversing you. Not if you manage risk. Yeah, that's true. That's true. This thing is merciless. Merciless. Curl up and cry is the plan. I'm looking for 46. This actually was pretty solid looking right here. Do. Straight back to 48. Yep. 49. 49. Dude. Ain't even no volume in that. Thanks, Knives. Dying on the inside. But wait, there's more.
XE.
Take about 50-cent risk, though. It might not be that bad, actually. Come on, 46. Break it on down. What am I learning from this? Patience. Man, that might be it. $53. Late already. Down leg. Lower low. Nah. Wait for 46. $36. $33. Man, I seen Fig right there too. Just wasn't that clean of a setup. The 5 was super nice though. I just didn't want 50-cent risk on it, but it would have been nothing. I really don't want to trade this anyway. Let me get this off here. Trying to deal with all these drops and pops and all of that. Come on, 46. I don't know, Pond. Come on, man. Bring it down. Come on, man. If it takes out this high. Is leading in debt. That's funny. $46. Come on. Uh-oh. Hold on now. Hold on now. You're holding on. What are you holding? What position you got, Pon? Oh, because I said hold on. Ah, come on, 46. Come on, 46. Come on, break down a little bit more. Come on. Got the low though. Might be waiting too much, man. Too much. Trying to get that second 5 minute when we already got the low right here. High 60s. I needed to break down further below the EMA though for that real entry. This thing just ain't been trading like normal. Order field. Order field. -2 hour review. That's funny. Morning, OG. What's going on, man? Oh, man. I'm on 46. Eight. 89.
Order filled.
If you buy it, he take you back. That's hilarious. Bye, humbug. Yeah, I guess it is. Uh,
Order filled.
Stood on business all day to do that. No level. Womp womp. The level is lunchtime. Seven.
Order filled.
From 167 to 11. Definitely want that one back. Mm.
Order filled. Order filled.
NNE.
The Kim Kardashian. What's the synopsis, Splinter? Have you been inspired to take off all of your charts and read the tape? Crash dash. Whatever. It's pretty dastardly on the 15, I must say. Friction makes stocks move. The buyers have returned. Guy with a fishing rod. Gotta be quicker than that. Thought about getting here and scalping, snatching the profits. Nah, I'm selling at 47 or whatever this high is, 46.90, 46.89. The buyers have returned. I'm 15. That's cool. 57, 63, 46.90. One has to work. Damn it. Fetal position.
Order filled.
FIGR.
46.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yep. Did all that waiting just to take some backside mid trades, mid range trades. Could have took some mid range trades on the front side. Sure could have.
FIGR.
Frank, do I need to pull up your K info again? Seemed to silence you last time. Mr. 70% win rate. Minus $4 expectancy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, such is life. All right, dudes. I'm out of here. Catch y'all in the Discord.